You know that feeling when you're standing in a room full of family and everyone's laughing at a story told in Igbo language, and you're smiling along, nodding, pretending you caught the punchline. But inside, you're holding your breath, hoping no one asks you a direct question. Because the language that should feel like home feels like a locked door. What if I told you that that door was never actually locked? You've just been looking for the key in the wrong place. That key, it's right here. Ndewo. No. I'm Yvonne Mbanefo, and this is Igbo Daily Drops. If you've ever stood at the door of your own heritage, knowing you belong inside, but not knowing how to enter, you're in the right place. Starting tomorrow, you'll get something simple and powerful. One story, one cultural insight, and 3 practical Igbo sentences you can use the same day. Every episode is a drop, and every drop feeds Oko Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, our ocean of Igbo knowledge. So this podcast is for you. If you only know how to say kedu and your tones wobble, you belong here. If you're a parent who wants to pass something real to your children, you belong here. If you're a heritage speaker deepening your connection to worldview, proverbs, history, and culture, you belong here. And if you're a receptive bilingual, you understand Igbo, but you freeze when you try to speak, this is your helping hand. And here's the beautiful part, you're not alone in this. We are on a mission to raise 10,000 more next generation Igbo speakers by next year. 10,000 voices, 10,000 drops in the ocean. And we want you to be one of them. It starts with one simple step. Download your free Igbo Heritage Family Kit at learnigbonow.com. That's your first drop. Nwayo nwayo ka eji aracha ofe dị ọkụ. Nwayo nwayo ka eji aracha ofe dị ọkụ. You sip hot soup slowly. These episodes, they are your spoon. Short, daily, manageable. Just enough to taste the richness without burning your tongue. So subscribe now on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to podcasts. I am your sister, Yvonne Mbanefo. Ya gazie. May it go well for you today. You know that feeling when you're standing in a room full of family and everyone's laughing at a story told in Igbo language and you're smiling?